All right, guys, another video here, and this video I want to go through the exponent rules again. So here we have our exponents, and in this we are our powers. And what we're doing here is we are multiplying. We can see that we're multiplying right here, right? So we're multiplying 10 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of 3. And when we multiply our powers, right? When we multiply our powers, we add the exponents. We add the exponents, okay? So here, all I'm going to do is add the exponents. So I'm going to say I'm going to have 10 to the, and I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to put them in here. So 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, okay? And then that's the same as 10 to the 7th power. So 4 plus 3 is 7, so 10 to the 7th power, okay? So all I did here was I added my exponents, all right? And then I want to switch over real quick, and we're going to do division of powers, okay? We're going to do division of powers, and so in this one, you're going to subtract. You're going to subtract the exponents. So when we divide our powers, we subtract our exponents, okay? So here, what we're going to have here is just 10 to the, and remember, we're just going to subtract these two exponents from each other. So we're going to have 36 minus 12, 36 minus 12, and that's the same as 10 to the 36 minus 12 is 24. Oh, let me go back. Sorry. I just want to make sure I keep that color the same. So we'll make it red. So 36 minus 12 is 24. So it's 10 to the 24th power, or the power of 24, however you like to say it, because we subtracted those exponents, okay? And we were dividing the powers. And then in our last, or our third one, what we're going to do is we are taking a power and raising it to another power. So it's a power of a power here. So we're going to take 10 to the power of 3 and raise all of that. So we're raising 10 to the power of 3 to the second power, to the power of 2. Okay, so a power to another power, raising a power to another power. All right, and so that would be, when we do that, what we do is we multiply. We multiply the exponents, okay? So we're going to take 10 to the power of 3, and we're going to multiply these exponents. So it'll be 10 to the power of, and what I'm going to put it in parentheses again, and that's going to be 3 times 2. 3 times 2. And that's the same as 10 to the 6th power. 10 to the power of 6, okay? Because 3 times 2 is 6. So we're multiplying our exponents when we raise a power to another power right here, okay? And then in our last one, really fast here, we're going to look at our negative exponents. Negative exponents, okay? These are a little different because you don't really do like either, adding or subtracting of exponents, something like that. What you're doing here, and you see in the example, is if I have 10 to a negative power, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 1 over 10 to the positive power. Notice here, this is a negative n, and then down here, it's a positive n. We put 1 over 10 to the positive power, okay? So we're going to do this in this example here, so you can see what it looks like. And so this is going to be 1 over, so 1 over 10, and not to the negative 6 power, right? Not anymore. It's going to be to the positive 6 power, to the positive 6 power, okay? And then here again, we're going to have, and I should have switched those colors, but that's 10. Oh, sorry. Let me go back real quick. It's going to be, actually, it's going to be 1 over, so 1 over 10 to the positive 1 power. 1 over, or 1 over 10 to the positive 1 power. So here it was to the negative 1 power. We say 1 over 10 to the positive 1 power. So we make the power, or the exponent, positive, and we say 1 over that, okay, over that power of 10. All right, thanks.